metal everywhere in the oil. Oh no, this is not good. 489,000 kilometers. Dirty diesel oil. Oh no, what is this? Metal in the oil filter. This is not good. Clean. Be careful. Don't forget or fall in engine. Very hard and old. Last mechanic was not a pro. New seal for oil filter housing. Pre-loop. Pre-loop. Good fishy. Two small wrench. This is good. Torque wrench. I like it. This I clean, filter working good. Oh no, look at this dirty filter. Never changed since 1982. Recycle. New. Oh, but this is not diesel fuel. This is engine oil. Protect. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, come out. Oh, tight space. This is definitely engine oil and not diesel fuel. Dirty owner. Dirty owner. New. Pre-fill with this special fluid. Oh no. Oh yeah. Don't forget. Oh no, this fuel filter is full of engine oil. Old, new. Good. This is a car and brake cleaner. Oh no! Oh, chunks of metal in the oil! Oh no, this engine won't live long. Oh, metal everywhere in the oil. Oh no, this is not good. 5W50 rally formula for real rally cars.
Happy customer!